What are the most common injuries when you are in a head-on collision? Possibly one of the most devastating types of motor vehicle accidents is a head-on collision. Our Northern California car accident attorneys at Berg Injury Lawyers know that victims often suffer disabling or catastrophic physical injuries, emotional damages, and financial harm from a head-on collision. These damages extend not only to a victim, but also to his or her entire family who suffers along with their loved one. Unfortunately, all too often victims of head-on collisions pass away from their injuries. There are many common injuries that may be caused in a head-on collision in Northern California. Although any motor vehicle accident may cause these types of injuries, the forces in a head-on collision are multiplied to devastating levels by the two opposite traveling vehicles. As a result, some of the most common injuries include the following: traumatic brain injuries, including concussions, diffuse axonal injuries, penetrating brain damage, brain bleeds, coupe-contre-coupe injuries, and other brain injuries that impact the way that it functions. Spinal cord injuries, including those which result in paralysis, such as paraplegia or quadriplegia. Amputations or loss of a limb. Internal injuries and organ damage, including heart contusion or aorta injuries, lung perforations or collapses, spleen or liver lacerations, bruised kidneys, and other organ injuries. Broken bones, especially to the lower legs, collarbone, shoulder, wrist, and compression fractures to the spinal vertebrae. Torn muscles, tendons, or ligaments, especially rotator cuff tears, slat tears, knee meniscus tears, hip labral tears, torn pec muscles, or knee ligament injuries to the ACL, PCL, LCL, or MCL. Neck and back injuries, including herniated discs, crushed discs, compression fractures, spinal cord impingement, nerve damage requiring ablation, or catastrophic damage requiring a spinal fusion surgery. And many other types of serious personal injuries, including airbag injuries, blindness, significant scarring, and other physical or emotional injuries. Although some insurance companies will offer some reimbursement, oftentimes it is not adequate under the law, and many times insurers won't offer anything. That's when you call Berg Injury Lawyers to get our Northern California car accident lawyers to help you by dialing 866-928-4640 for a free consultation, or reach out to us through our website at berginjurylawyers.com.